Stop scrolling. This is the GAME Changing Shark Navigator Lift Away Upright Vacuum that's exploding in popularity right now. Welcome back to our channel, where we review the best products on the market. Today we're diving deep into Shark Navigator Lift Away Upright Vacuum. Transform ordinary into extraordinary. Enjoy premium features at budget price. Amazing deal alert. Over 50% savings in the description. Amazing deal alert. Over 50% savings in the description. Stock is vanishing at lightning speed. And the best part, it's available for just NA. Thousands of satisfied customers can't be wrong. It features trending home product found on Google. Check the description for product links and special offers. Limited quantities. Selling out right now. Make the smart choice now. This product has been getting incredible reviews with NA. Tap subscribe and the notification bell for more product reviews. Improve your daily routine dramatically. Maximize efficiency with ease. The value you get for this price is absolutely unbeatable. You can get over 50% discount right now. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful. Join our family. Subscribe and enable notifications for the best deals. Thank you for watching. And I'll see you in the next video with more amazing deals.